What's up, everybody? Welcome back. And I've been doing a lot of fidget spinners lately. I've done an unboxing of the gyroscope fidget spinner, the wooden try fidget spinner, and even this really cool great fidget spinner. And I also got these bearings. I paid about $4 for them, but it came with two, so I don't know what to do with that. Maybe when my double fidget spinner comes. But look how cool that looks now. Here. It's really hard to get it spinning really fast, but it looks really cool once you do. But I was like, hear that background? It's these batteries charging up. These batteries have been charging all day and waiting for me to use them on my fidget spinners. Yep. Full battery. Full battery. A super powerful lawn blower, whatever, leaf blower, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, you see where this is going? Since I don't have an air compressor, I'll have to use this thing. That's so strong that it shot like trash into my eyes. Cause there's like, it sucks. It's like a freaking vacuum that moves things to different places. Oh yeah, don't have your volume loud on this video. So, yep, we're just going to take our fidget spinner, then put a leaf blower right here, and then spin it. Yo! Oh shoot, I was so scared. I had to use this thing to, it cracked. Oh no, it didn't. I was like, it cracked. Look how loud it is when I spin it. Look how loud it is when I spin it over here. So scary. Ow, that hurts. So yeah, we're going to go from super slow to super fast. So rest in peace, headphone users. Yo, that was awesome, but that hurt. Oh, fail. Oh, that was tough. Oh. Now we gotta do it on the wooden one. This one I'm scared for because this one hurts if you spin it and you stop it. So, yep. Ow! I think that cut me. Look. I could feel like little flakes of, like just, what's this called? Wood just flaming at my hand. This one's easier since it has more points, and then the wind goes like, and just spins it. Now let's do this one from slowest to highest, I guess. That's so freaking scary. Now, last and not least, I have to do it on the gyroscope one. I don't know how this will work. Look, so you see it's not spinning? You see it's not spinning? Wait, I got an idea. So, there's this cool trick where you take the circular fidget spinner, you spin it, you see, it walks across the floor. Now, what if we made that thing go 1,000 revolutions per minute or 1,000 RPM? Let's do it. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa! That went so fast. I don't know how fast that's going. Yo, that's so fast. It's so cool. It's still spinning. Oh my god. I don't know how fast this thing's going. So yeah, pretty cool, right? Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.